Hi everyone, Vince here. Welcome to another video showing you guys how you can earn free PayPal cash online in 2022. These methods are what I've used personally in my country of Australia, either from my mobile phone or computer. I hope you enjoy. Let's kick this off. The first method is called Easy Bucks. So I was able to use the Easy Bucks application on my Android phone to earn around $15 worth of PayPal currency. The way Easy Bucks works is by completing either surveys, offers and tasks, or just straight up playing games to reward you with coins. These coins, after reaching a certain amount, here in my country it was around 10,500 of the coins, would convert into $15 or so worth of real life money. I found that Easy Bucks would pay me between $1 and $4 for survey completions, and they would have offers that would easily pay you between $30 and $50 if you had the time to complete them. When I cashed out on Easy Bucks, they paid me out instantly. You can find any download link or referral link in the description below this video, by the way. Next up is Prize Rebel. Prize Rebel is a fantastic money-making platform that allows you to earn legitimate PayPal cash just by completing surveys, entering into giveaways, and completing offers and tasks. Something that I love about Prize Rebel is that it has a whole multitude of different survey providers and offer providers that you can go through to earn this PayPal currency. In my country, Prize Rebel has a coin-based currency system where 500 coins would equal $5 worth of PayPal currency, and they also support cash outs all the way up to $500 worth of PayPal at a time. Prize Rebel also features probably well over 30 to 40 different cash out options, which is absolutely insane. I haven't really seen a money-making platform that allows this many cash out opportunities such as Prize Rebel. When I cashed out on Prize Rebel, I was paid in a few days. Next up, we have StreetBees. StreetBees is a fantastic little PayPal earning application where you can literally submit photos of what you're doing throughout your day. Examples would be taking a photo of what food you're eating for the day, what drink you're drinking, whether that be alcohol or non-alcoholic, what kind of hygiene products you're using for the day, and StreetBees will reward you with PayPal cash straight to your PayPal account for submitting those photos. Every day or two, they have new tasks for you to complete. The reason why I love recommending StreetBees is because of how easy it actually is for you guys to start earning PayPal on it. I feel like almost anyone that joins up within the first day can actually start earning their PayPal. Now granted, it might not be a lot, each photo might only give you between 75 cents to $1, but if you're doing 5 photos a day, that's instantly $5 just there. And the best thing about StreetBees is that it's literally paid within the next 1 to 2 days straight to your PayPal account after your photos have been approved, which usually again only takes about 24 hours. Every time I've used StreetBees, they have paid me without any issues whatsoever. Next up, we have FreeCash. FreeCash is probably one of the most well-known money-making platforms on the market at the moment, with a huge variety of different cash out options that are available for you guys to withdraw from. They allow you to earn currency in the form of coins, where 1,000 coins equals $1 USD currency, and the way you earn these coins is by completing surveys and completing tasks and offers. FreeCash has very high-paying offers and surveys that you can complete, and it's worth actually checking out their platform on a daily basis just so you're up to date with the latest ways that you can earn. It's actually quite overwhelming how many cash out options that FreeCash allows you to withdraw from and the amount of ways that you can earn on there. FreeCash even supports cryptocurrency for the people that don't want to cash out just PayPal, and a whole other variety of gift cards. I've never had a problem with FreeCash when I've cashed out, and every time I've cashed out it has been instant. So that's another huge benefit of using the FreeCash platform. Next on the list, we have PolPay. PolPay was one of the first applications I covered on my channel that paid me straight up PayPal currency for completing surveys. PolPay has come quite a long way because now they allow you to earn PayPal currency from not only just surveys, but from completing offers and tasks and playing games as well. PolPay pretty much runs on the exact same concept as Easy Bucks, where you have to earn a certain amount of coins to then convert into real life PayPal currency. A great thing about PolPay is that when I've cashed out on it personally, they have paid me out instantly each time. I recommend that you use PolPay and Easy Bucks together at the same time, and what I mean by that is once you've finished up all the surveys on Easy Bucks, then head over to PolPay to see if you get any new ones. The same concept would apply for the offers and tasks and games as well. You're gonna have to try PolPay at least once to see how it goes in your country, but I have to highly recommend it. A quick little bonus for the people still watching right now, you can find over 100 legitimate money-making applications and methods on my official website in the description below. Be sure to check it out. Now, this next method may not be allowed in your country, but if it is, then you're very lucky. It's called Qme. Qme is a fantastic instant paying PayPal application and platform where every survey or offer or even cashback deal that you complete will earn you a certain amount of PayPal currency. You can then cash out this PayPal currency directly into your account instantly, everyone, which is actually incredible once you think about it, comparing it to most of the other money-making platforms on the market right now. Something that I love about Qme is that if you check back on their platform every few hours, you should have new ways to actually earn on there. You might not get new offers, but you'll definitely get new surveys, at least in my experience. So what you can end up doing is every couple of hours is just farming the new surveys to keep earning that PayPal cash. Qme also offers up gift cards as well, but I purely use it to earn that instant PayPal money. I often get asked, are VPNs allowed on these type of money-making platforms? The answer is a straight up no. If you ever see a creator or someone out there promoting using VPNs on these money-making platforms, generally they don't know what they're talking about, because if you ever have used a VPN and tried to cash out on one of these platforms, you'll know you'll straight up get banned instantly. So just really be safe out there. I don't want you guys wasting hours of your time to only earn $5 or $10 to then not even receive the money because you're using a VPN. VPNs have a purpose, right? But when it comes to making money online, these websites are actively trying to stop you from doing so through the VPN. It's just not worth the time and effort, especially for how little you really make on money-making platform for the hours you put into it. The same thing applies to applications, by the way. It's not just websites. Any type of money-making app or website, if they find out you're using a VPN, they won't honor your payment, or they'll try and use any excuse in the book to not pay you. Next up, we have Atapol. Atapol is a money-making application that will pay you instant PayPal cash for completing surveys. They not only have PayPal though, they also have gift cards as well. Something that I love about Atapol is that literally every single day they'll have surveys for you to complete that will pay you straight up PayPal cash for free. The only thing you need to give up is your time to complete the surveys. Granted, completing surveys online does come with the risk of being disqualified all the time, and that can be quite annoying. Anyone out there that's ever completed a survey before will know exactly what I'm talking about. Being disqualified is the biggest pain in the behind ever. But generally, if you can get through the disqualifications, Atapol is a fantastic application that I've never had an issue with, and that I've earned hundreds upon hundreds of dollars with in the past year. There is no coin currency or anything like that on Atapol. They literally pay you the straight up money. In my country, I need $5 minimum to cash out the instant PayPal. Atapol has paid me every single time, by the way, which is awesome to say. Next on the list is LootUp. LootUp is a fantastic money-making application that will allow you to earn PayPal currency by completing surveys, playing games, and completing tasks and offers. LootUp features a point system where 1,000 points equals $1 worth of USD currency. And you're able to earn this currency extremely fast thanks to how high some of the surveys and offers are paying on LootUp. Not only that, you can enter into regular giveaways as well that will pay you, again, the straight up USD currency for winning them. LootUp also features multiple different cash out options, not just PayPal currency. They have gift cards and cryptocurrency as well. I've never had a problem with LootUp, and I'll highly recommend that people give it a shot because I feel like you can make quite a bit of PayPal currency by adding this into your regular schedule of earning money online. LootUp pays generally within 1 to 2 days, by the way. And now for the people that watched all the way to the end, I'll have a bonus for you. The next money-making platform is called Survey Time. If you guys have not tried Survey Time out yet, I highly recommend you do. It is a survey platform that will pay you $1 USD for every single survey you complete. It doesn't matter the length of the survey, you will get $1 guaranteed PayPal USD instantly. I have to say, Survey Time is such a fantastic money-making platform. I highly recommend you guys give it a try if you haven't done it yet. I have not had any issue with it, and it's paid me every single time. If you've ever completed surveys online, you know that $1 USD, no matter the length of the survey, is actually a very big deal. So that's why I'm recommending Survey Time today. Thanks for watching, be sure to subscribe, see you all tomorrow.